I'm Fiona and this is my son Winston, and today I've teamed up with Emma's Diary and Pampers with tips to keep your little one active. Right, should we make sure we have everything to go out?
You always need a few just in case. My first tip is really simple. Create a play area outside with a few of your kids' toys, and it will keep them amused for at least a few minutes, and hopefully the sun will make an appearance too. Tip 2, head to the local park for a run around. I don't know about your child, but mine loves it and is obsessed with every slide and swing going. And it's a great opportunity to also meet up with mummy friends. Tip 3, for a fun full day out and to keep your kid active, head down to your local beach. This will keep him busy all day. Getting my Pampers Active Fit nappies ready for change time, and look at the cute animals. Winston has a shell to share with you all.
As a mum of a very active child, I've learnt firsthand the importance of choosing the right nappy. And for us, that's Pampers Active Fit. They are super comfortable with a 360-degree belt. And there is no leakage. For Pampers, this is their #1 for comfort and even won the Mother and Baby Gold Award. So we know that they are going to work. Winston also loves them for the cute prints that are on each nappy.